Naga Heritage Kisamate, State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Ditono Nakrobra Mitya Kan Logot Kotakuria Homoide, Kisama Heritage Side, BWDs Kan Bishi issue Samna Kurita Oporde Kotakurishe. Dibra point out Kurishi ki Baharbara Ahia visitors Kanaro BWDs Kan main arena day, Buntuule Bishi challenges face Kuriase, Kuntu unacceptable Matishi Aro, Ituke Bishi serious lower Lagi Kushe. Dibra Arokuishi ki limited mobility manukan nimiji safe drop off or pick up zone bunai tule lage dai khan ke venue navigate kurule dibole karne nakrobra government or tourism departments khan ke BWDs nimije nutun construction bunai tule urge kurusha or sob manukarni inclusive public space create kurule chunaise.
The tourism department with regard to facilities like that. It's not only inside the Kisama village, but also coming up and going down, you know, for many. That kind of arrangements are there, but that is fine, that is good. Streamlining the entire, you know, process, that's good. But the problem with disabled, some categories of disabilities, it's difficult for them, you know, to be shifting to shuttle bus. That kind of thing is impossible for a person like me, for example. I can't do that. So that is one thing that we had asked the tourism department to do. Have some kind of special arrangements, some kind of special passes where it is not only about the local people. Now we are talking today, it's our disability day. So we are having a function, but it's not only for today. For every day of festival, I did notice quite a few visitors from outside Nagaland. On the first day I was here for the inaugural program, and so for many of these people it will be very difficult. So that's why we had asked the tourism department to have some kind of special pass. They need not park inside. We are not out. We had specifically asked the government to make sure that all these new things that are coming up now, it needs to be, you know, the disability, the accessibility provisions has very serious, because we cannot continue doing this, you know. Every time they'll say yes, and I'm not saying that the government is not cooperating at all. Also, they are, you know, collaborating with us, cooperating with us, and trying to do what needs to be done. That is a fact. But the thing is, they don't realize the urgency of doing this. You know, accessibility, it is not just an add-on, you know, something that, oh, we can have, yeah, we'll do it, but we'll do it when it's convenient for us. It's not that. It is an essential provision. Without accessibility provisions, we disabled people who need them, these facilities, we don't have a life, we can't live a life. So that's why it is essential, it is urgent. They need to do it. They cannot keep on postponing it to the next phase, you know. So all these new constructions, as I said, the many things that are happening in and around Kisama village, we also understand that many of them are still incomplete. But whatever it is, it should have been there in the designing phase only. Then, you know, even though it's not complete, at least some basic accessibility provisions should have been there. But in the arena, for example, I was there for the inaugural program. As far as I can see, of course, there were a lot of people that day. No provisions have been made at all. So that is completely unacceptable.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.